Hi guys, welcome back to CS Technology. Today guys, we are going to learn manipulation guys, how to do document object model in JavaScript. So guys, we can see that now we'll see that what is DOM and how to select HTML and CSS function and events guys. So this is all about document object model guys, where we can click and the event will pop up. All those things we are going to learn today guys. Okay. So first of all, guys, we need to learn what is the DOM. DOM in the sense, guys, it's a document, guys. So document object model, guys. So we'll see, guys, practically what is it. Okay. So guys, first I will take HTML tag, H1 tag. Inside H1 tag, I'm going to write I am the HTML. So I have written I am the HTML. Here guys, how to select that HTML guys by using JavaScript. We'll see that guys. Okay. For that guy, we have a function called document. So guys, simply we need to try document, but query selector. So guys, query selector. So here inside the column, we need to take the H1 tag guys. So guys, it's H1 right. If you have H2, you need to take H2 there. If you have a div, we need to take div over there. Okay. Now we have H1, so that's the reason I have taken H1 here. H1 guys dot we have a function inner text html. Inner text guys, inner text means we have a h1 guys, and inside the h1 we have a text, right? I'm the html tag. Now guys, by writing JavaScript, we are going to change that guys. How to do that, we'll see that. We have changed the html element. Simply I will write that. Okay. Now just will display. See guys, now we have changed the HTML element. Change the spelling what wrong guys. Yeah, see guys. Initially that I am the HTML, right? So now we can see that by using this object get query selector, we can easily change the HTML all the function guys. So we can, if you want to change it there now, as of now guys, by default color is black. If you want to change the color also, we can do that guys. We'll see that. For that guys, first we need to store this value. Let data just you can, this one is not, instead of that you can just type JavaScript something. So this is enough. Okay. Now we'll change the color guys. How to change that? Simply guys, we need to take data dot style dot, you can type color guys. Also remove this one guys, because now we have stored the value, right? That is not required. Here we can write that guys, data dot inner text. Here you can write JavaScript. So guys, I have written JavaScript. Now which color you want? You want to give red? You can give red guys. Simply now see guys, refresh, it's red. If you want to change the background color, you can see guys, the style dot background color. Background give hot pink. See guys, hot pink. If you want to increase the weight again guys, you simply take data and dot font size. You can type style guys. First you need to type style, later font size. You can write 35 pixels. See guys, it has been increased. So whatever guys, if you want to do by using document object model, we can do that. So that is a main useful guys why we are using this DOM function guys. Okay, we need to change anything in HTML, so by simply guys by selecting query selector you can do that. So we have a other selector as well guys, we can select through ID as well. So everything same only guys, only selecting is different. So guys we can type box. Instead of that we can use ID also here guys. By selecting ID also we can do that. For that document dot get element by id will get a document dot get element by id. Here guys same thing again we need to type this. That's it guys. So this also will store in data. So guys there is no difference guys, so both are same only. Okay, and also guys we have a class also, class function also. You can instead of id you can give class here, and for class also guys, so you can give here document dot get element by class guys. See guys, by default we can see yes here, yes extra, right? Because ID will be selecting only particular ID. Element class means it will select multiple classes, guys. So that's the reason why we are using this, guys. So most of the cases, guys, we are using only query selector and get element ID, guys. Okay. So that is the ideal, guys. That is the best for us. Understood, right, guys? So quickly just we recap once. And is this. So guys, you just remove this. Instead of that, you can take any div, guys. Inside you can take h1 and the html. You can write and the html. Here guys we'll take style tag guys. We'll give some color guys. Okay, so we'll take width. First we'll take h1. We'll give guys some width 200 pixel, height 200 pixel, and background color we'll give blue green guys. Okay. So main function is div, right? We need to take div here. Yeah, that's it guys. Simply see guys, now we can see that, right? So we need to take it in middle guys. How to take that? So for that guys we know, right? We have a function called display flex. Display flex justify content center, align item center, center. Now guys we have seen. So now guys we can create one button guys by clicking that button. So we can change this element guys. Okay, how to do that? We'll see that. So for that guys we need to take a button here. Click button and enter. Click here. Now quickly guys we'll use some style for button as well. Width will give 100 pixel. Height will give us 40 pixel. Color will you guys white. Background color will give any colors. Aqua. And we will see how it looks. The color will give black as well. Will give black. Will increase with little bit. And also will give some padding guys. 25 pixel. 40 pixel. You just remove the height. So that will adjust guys. Okay. I'm not focusing on more guys on CSS. margin will be 5 pixels. Not 5, maybe 15 pixels. Yeah. Height is too much, guys. We'll give here some 20 pixel. We'll remove padding, guys. Better we'll give height. Okay? Height will be just 20 pixel is enough. We'll give some border radius will give 10 pixel, guys. Just loading. Oh, it's too small. We'll give 40, guys. So that's it, guys. We don't want to waste more time here. Quickly we'll start JavaScript. So yeah, this is enough, guys. Okay. So we are in a CSS class while we are going to do project, so we will do more things. Okay. So if I click on this button, guys, so this element has to be changed, guys. How to do that? So for that, guys, we need to use JavaScript here. Here first we'll target that, guys. Okay. What we need first, we need to get element by ID. So we can take box. So here first we have selected this, guys. See, guys, first we need to select this. Okay. So here, guys, we'll give ID class. We'll give box. Okay. So I have selected this. So later, guys, we need to select button. Button also will give some ID. ID for button you can give BTN. So BTN. So we'll select that. So now, guys, we are selecting for button, right? If you click on button, so element has to be changed. So here we need to take button and you need to add event listener, guys. So this is a event, guys. So for each and event we need to use add event listener. And add event listener, guys, we have many functions, guys, like mouse over, mouse out, click. So there are n numbers of are there. So we'll take now click, guys. Okay. If you click on button, so it will say that, and we will take arrow function. Right. We'll take console, guys. First we'll test that whether it's working or not. Then we have on the console, we'll check. See, guys, it's working, right? We are clicking it, it's working. Now we'll display here, guys. Okay. For that, guys, simply, guys, we need to select again document dot get element by ID. So where we now want to display that, guys. So that class we need to select. Now we want to display here, right? We need to change this tag, right? So for that, guys, we need to select that. How to select that, guys? Box, guys. ID name box, guys. Simply we select the box and dot, guys. You can type inner text. So write what you want to write. I am the DOM object. Simply then you can write like this. Okay. How to select it. See, guys, now you press. If once I enter that, guys, so it will change that. Well, we will see that. See, guys. Once I enter that, it has been changed, right? This is how it's simple, guys. And also, guys, we have other function also. Instead of click, guys, we can just hover on that, guys. Mouse hover also we have. See, guys, now even though we don't want to click that, just hover on mouse, guys. See, guys, if I just hover on mouse, so it's been changed, guys. Here, guys, we can just type and the down. That's enough. Yeah. Now we can also we have, guys, mouse out as well. This is how it works. So now I'm in cursor only, right? If I leave that guys, on click here, it will change the element. See guys, as I remove that, so it will change here. So we have many events guys. If you click on Google, you get a lot of events. So you can see all the events guys, you can apply here. And why I'm only taking these three guys, because three as are very important. In that, click is very important guys, because in most of the cases we are seeing only click only. If you go any big website guys, we can see only buttons, right? If you click on button, something will open. Now if you click on anything, the event will happen. So that's the reason. That's okay. Now guys, we have learned in this class guys. First thing is how to select, and what are the selectors we have, like ID selector, class selector, query selector, and some basic things we have learned about events guide, how to use events in JavaScript. So that's all guys. DOM. So nothing more that. If you want to create more project also guys, so I'm going to planning some project also, where we can create more project by using only JavaScript guys, like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I will be taking a project class guys. There we can only learn projects guys. Okay, so there are important projects, how to use that by using JavaScript. So that's all guys to today class. Thanks for watching.